Cause number 2020-562. Announcement of council, please.
David Nunez for the state, Your Honor. State is ready.
And Daniel Avalar for Elizabeth Medina. She is a present judge in my office. She's healthy, Judge. She works here in our office, Judge.
Yes, I think I remember this case. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Medina, how are you today?
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Okay, what are we doing in this case?
Your Honor, the defense filed a motion to modify the PR bond conditions, Your Honor. Specifically, we're asking that yes, ma'am.
Hold on a second. He has a PR bond. Did you know that? She's on my list. Did you know that, Mr. Avelar? I'm looking for it.
On the naughty list or the nice list?
Naughty. I only get naughty. Let me see. Conditions included monthly reporting to obtain. Ms. Medina has been compliant. She's tested 6 times a day. Why do they write me to tell me she's compliant to scare Mr. Avelar?
I just had a heart attack and I looked at her right now and she says, I don't know what they're talking about.
Mr. Medina is aware. No, I've told him specifically to put down when they don't behave, but she's
right
and behaving, but she's on the naughty list. Okay, go ahead. So we're good. We're good, Ms. Medina. We're good. Talk to me.
I was like, oh my God, don't tell me.
No. We're good. We're good. Okay. Mr. Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. So we respectfully filed a motion. We're respectfully asking the court that it change the conditions specifically from the mobile unit that she's on right now to the ignition interlock, Your Honor. Miss Medina is a single mother. She's an assistant here at Wyatt Underwood. She receives about a little over $100 in child support, Judge. And then she has the income from here, Judge. She pays a total of, I think, $180 per month on this unit. And she got a quote for the interlock, and it's going to go down to maybe like $80. So it's about it would reduce her monthly cost to $80, Judge. In support of our motion, Judge, and in connection with that, you almost gave me a heart attack. She has been compliant with Her Honor's conditions. I think since at least February of this year, Your Honor.
It's placed on a split bond. I was going to ask.
So it's yes, Your Honor.
Okay, she's been on it for about 7.5 months.
Right.
Okay.
What do you think, Judge?
He's on. See, I want a little bit more of a history. The only thing I can do to give you some relief, instead of the Scram unit, I don't like the other units other than Scram, but she is on Scram right now. She can do Intoxilock or something, a Smart Start that's cheaper, a cheaper mobile unit I will allow. That I will allow. So look into it, find a cheaper mobile unit. If there's any issues, Mr. Avelar, you have to realize she's assuming the responsibility. That's why I don't like those cheaper units. But I'll allow.
Right. Is the court talking about history in terms of since she's been on your order, or
1 year of clean? And she's been on since February. Give me 1 year. I'll let her do a cheaper device 1 year, and then maybe we'll take it off.
So she can go look for a cheaper device, and then she'll be governed at the same rate and time.
What do you mean governed at the same rate and time?
So she blows, I think, 6 times a day.
Oh yeah, she's still going to do that. Still going to do all of that, but it'll be a cheaper device. What's the cheapest device, Mr. Artemio?
For in-home, Judge, or?
Mobile unit, yeah. What's a cheaper device?
I think the cheapest one and the most reliable one would be Smart Start.
How much is Smart Start?
I think it's like 85, something like that.
There it is. That's a good little reduction, 85 a month, Smart Start. And I don't mind Smart Start. Smart Start is probably the better, cheaper unit. Okay, your attorney's paying 180, that'll give her, that's almost half price. So let's do the Smart Start unit.
Okay, Judge.
The problem, see, this is the problem, Mr. Avalon, and I don't know if you know this, not only are the cheaper versions of these mobile units not reliable, right? The issue is they may be cheaper, but they charge you for everything. They charge you for a written statement. They charge you if you miss and they have to lock you out. They charge you a fee for reinstatement. They charge you a fee if it's positive. They charge you for a fee. So you have to realize that these cheaper places sometimes don't come out cheaper. For compliant people, maybe it does, right? But for people that are not too compliant, and she's compliant. I don't think we've had any problems with her. So let her do the home unit for a little bit longer and then we'll revisit this. Okay?
Okay, Judge,
But
yes.
we've given her a good chunk of relief, $100 a month. That's a lot.